Today we are going to be constructing an isosceles triangle. This triangle has two sides being equal and two angles equal. So we are going to start with line AB as indicated in the procedures here. We're going to draw a line, first point, and I have author on, so it restricts me to vertical and horizontal line, and the distance is 90 units, enter, and I'll press escape. Now this is point A and point B, and from point A, using A and B as centers, we are going to use a radius of 163 to locate point C from both ends. So let's go to the arc tool, center start end, from point A, select our center, and we'll type in our distance of 163, enter. Now author is still on, so let me turn that off, palm down a bit, and I'm just going to stop my arc here. From point B, the same thing, so the same arc from point B, and I'm going to start above because AutoCAD is going to scribe by default in an anti-clockwise direction, and I'm going to type in the distance of 163 units and just scribe our arc. We can stop there, and all we're going to do is turn on the line tool from point A, have with intersection being turned on in the object snap there, and we'll snap to point B, and that is the completion of our isosceles triangle. And we could always go to the line weight tab and we change our line weight. The labelings, of course, persons should know by now how to do labelings. If you're not sure, you can refer to my AutoCAD basics videos. Thank you for watching. Looking forward for your comments and plan to see you in the next video where we learn basic technical drawing principles using AutoCAD and basic geometry. Thanks again for watching.